Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the reel and tapping the audio name. This links the clip. Once done, choose Use Audio. Instagram creates a new composer tied to that sound. Make sure to listen briefly, because that preview decides your entry point. You'll immediately be taken into story mode, where the audio is attached. Now position your camera or select footage from your gallery. This is the only route that preserves the reel's original audio for a story, so proceed without switching apps. You now choose whether to record live or import a saved clip, because timing matters. If recording, hit record while the audio plays to capture the intended beat. If importing, use the trim handles to align visuals to the audio start. Once aligned, tap the mixer to set audio versus original clip volume. Keep the reel audio dominant. Also add captions or stickers while listening. These edits stick to the story audio, so check the full playback before moving on to the final. Finish by previewing the story end to end. Make sure the audio starts and loops as you expect. Once satisfied, pick Share to post to your story or close friends. You can also save draft or download a copy for later. That preserves your edit. If the audio is missing or blocked, check the original reel owner's privacy and copyright flags. Private accounts or removed audio are common causes. If that's the issue, ask the creator to enable sharing or choose another track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.